Many invoices still arrive in paper form here in the AP department of GlobalCo, a typical Kofax customer. Suppliers increasingly use electronic invoicing. And with the recent consolidation of all AP processing to a single center in GlobalCo, the challenge of making AP processing faster, cheaper, and more accurate just got bigger for Kate and her accounts payable colleagues. The first priority at GlobalCo is to halt the flow of paper by digitizing the invoices. With Kofax, Kate and the team quickly capture invoices from multiple channels and create high-quality digital images stored in GlobalCo's content management system, in this case, Microsoft SharePoint. Once the paper flood subsides, the productivity skyrockets. Within seconds, Kofax turns the invoice's supplier, header, line item, and amount information into electronic data using its built-in data extraction features. No manual rekeying required. All the detail and the invoice image is now available in electronic form. But wait, is it really that simple? Here's where Smart Capture really boosts productivity. Errors, PO mismatches, and other issues can drastically increase time and costs. But at GlobalCo, resolving these issues automatically drives higher throughput of the AP team. Kofax correctly extracts most invoice information with no need for human intervention. Sometimes Kate's intervention is needed, in this case to choose the supplier. At any time, Kate can use the powerful Kofax document viewer to see the invoice clearly. Where invoice data is unclear, Kofax uses a smart lookup to check against ERP master data and present a list of potential matches. One click selects the right supplier and processing moves along. This smart validation unlocks big productivity gains at GlobalCo. Even better, the software learns, getting smarter with every invoice. So next time this supplier submits an invoice in this format, it's fully automated. Invoice processing that automatically gets smarter every day? Imagine that. GlobalCo also saves time using Kofax's automated line item matching for PO invoices. Many matches are completely automatic. Where a match is not clear, Kofax gets all potential PO lines from the ERP, suggests the likely best matches, and asks Kate to confirm the right choice. Simple, fast, productive. Kate's colleague Michael works on invoice entry, coding, and approval. In the streamlined AP workflow at GlobalCo, Michael works efficiently through the AP workflow tasks in his inbox. Kofax prompts Michael with helpful screens for each task, in this case including account coding shortcuts that are in sync with the GL codes in the ERP, making GL coding faster and less error-prone. Michael's inbox helps manage his workload, so he chooses the next best action to keep AP processing moving fast. He has authority to approve invoices and takes an approval task next. Michael has access to all information he needs and can see the invoice image. He can choose from a range of actions including approve for payment, return to supplier, request comment from a colleague, route to another approver, etc. Everything looks good, so Michael approves. But the amount exceeds Michael's approval limit, so Kofax automatically forwards it to Monica, the customer service manager. She's out of the office today, so Kofax prompts Monica on her mobile device and allows her to approve the invoice right there, eliminating otherwise lost time. For Greg Rice, AP Director at GlobalCo, and Jenny East, CFO, visibility and control are perhaps the greatest benefits of the Kofax AP solution. Kofax handles spend limits, approval hierarchies, segregation of duties, audit trails, payment holds, all integrated to the ERP, so managers are confident of compliance to business rules, regulation, and the law. And the actionable insight Kofax provides allows Greg and Jenny to monitor the productivity of the AP process, or check GlobalCo's cash position, or report on compliance issues. But that's not all. They can drill down, understand issues, and take action to resolve them. Greg receives an alert on invoice backlog levels, drills down, and reassigns some of Monica's work that needs attention quickly. Jenny sees an opportunity to take early pay discounts and increases the priority of that $35,000 invoice payment. Whatever your organization's priorities in AP processing, you can join the thousands who already trust Kofax. Whether you're drowning in paper or already on the e-invoicing track, Kofax leads the industry in multi-channel capture. No invoice slows you down, and we store them in any ECM system. Our AP workflow is powerful on day one, and it's both fast and easy to customize. We provide out-of-the-box integration with ERPs like Oracle, SAP, and Microsoft Dynamics AX. And our pre-built ERP integration framework integrates quickly with any ERP. Kofax offers both cloud-based or on-premise installation. Take your pick. How long does it take to onboard a new customer, and what kind of experience do you provide in the process? Laura Wilson has recently moved and is thinking about switching banks. She sees an advertisement for Bankwright on a social networking site. She can call, click, or visit to complete an application and decides to visit the bank to check it out. Laura meets with Manuel, a new account representative. She decides to open an account and they fill in the application together. She also completes a fund transfer approval form. Laura brought her driver's license as proof of ID. She also needs to provide proof of address, like a utility bill, but she doesn't have one yet at her new home. Manuel tells her she will receive a text and email from the bank with a link to upload a household bill. Manuel uses the Kofax mobile capture application on his tablet device to take a photograph of the documents. The information is uploaded directly to the bank's central headquarters from the point of origination at the branch. The documents are automatically classified and separated. Data is automatically extracted in a highly accurate touchless process without any human intervention. Laura's case is instantly opened. The Kofax solution uses Bankwright's internal business rules to segment customers based on their income and to choose suitable products and services for them. Laura has been identified as a high net worth customer based on the income stated on her application. Inside the bank's Know Your Customer process, sub-processes are kicked off and a credit check is initiated. Another process is started to validate her identification. The former address on Laura's ID and her application don't match. Laura receives a text on her smartphone while she's still in the bank. This confirms her phone number and her email address. She is provided with a confirmation number and access to the bank's web portal to provide another form of ID and proof of address. The service delivery expectation is that the account will be established within 48 hours. Shortly after leaving the bank, Laura photographs her passport and uploads it securely via the Kofax mobile application. Within seconds, she receives a confirmation text that it's been received. Within the same text message, the bank has provided Laura with a link to their web portal where she can check the status of her application. The next day, Laura receives her first electric bill at her new house. She logs on to the bank's secure web portal and uploads the electric bill using her all-in-one device. As Laura's case is nearing the expected service delivery deadline, the Kofax Business Process Management System places a higher priority on the document. After submitting her electric bill as proof of address, Laura checks the status of her application in the web portal. There are multiple processes being managed in parallel by the Kofax Business Process Management System in order to meet the promised service delivery date. Back at the bank, to ensure the onboarding process continues to progress smoothly for Laura and all their new clients, a senior executive at Bankwright looks at his personal dashboards using a tablet device while traveling. They display the new account opening metrics compared to his monthly, quarterly, and annual targets. He can also look at process analytics that show real-time statistics for the customer onboarding process and for the performance of the service level agreement. This helps him to rapidly identify process problems and hotspots. Now that all the required documents have been received, the system initiates a request to the bank's line of business system to set up Laura's account. In this touchless process, all data is delivered to the bank line of business system and Laura's account is established. Laura can now see on the web portal that her account has been created and is moving to the funding stage. The web portal interfaces seamlessly with the bank's back-end enterprise systems to provide Laura with real-time status on her application. Another process is initiated with the bank's line of business system, again with all required and verified data, to transfer funds from Laura's old bank to her new account in Bankwright. Laura is notified by text message once all of her funds have been transferred. At this point, Laura's onboarding process is almost complete. She now receives special fulfillment correspondence from Bankwright. She has also been assigned a special high net worth account representative, Sophia Jones. She receives a text and email with Sophia's personal contact information and other product offers from the bank that are especially chosen for her. Laura's account was processed and funded from start to finish in less than 48 hours. The onboarding process was personalized to her situation and communication preferences, and she had complete visibility into the process at all times. A great customer service experience makes Laura a happy customer, and she's likely to recommend Bankwright to her friends. With the faster process, Bankwright realizes shorter time to revenue, makes Laura feel valued, and increases the likelihood of turning her into a loyal, lifetime customer. These benefits aren't limited to onboarding in just financial services. Insurance, healthcare, and government can all benefit from capturing information at the point of origination and using touchless processing to improve operational efficiency, all within an enterprise-ready, capture-enabled BPM solution.
For policyholders, the worst part of a fender bender is often the time required to file the insurance claim. The paperwork, phone calls, and status uncertainty can turn a bad situation even worse, making for unhappy customers. What if you could eliminate all that frustration for your customers and speed up the first notification of loss process? What if virtually all claim activity could be automated and submitted from a mobile app? No paperwork, no errors, no delays. This level of automation is just one of the many capabilities that you can build into your app with the Kofax Mobile Capture platform. Let's say your policyholder, George, gets into a minor accident with another driver. He can file his claim instantly from the scene using your mobile app. He snaps a few quick photos using the camera on his phone. The other driver's license, vehicle license plates, proof of insurance, and pictures of the accident. Just like that, the Kofax solution initiates and automates the claim by extracting all the relevant information and delivering it directly into your claims process. Before he even restarts his engine, George gets a convenient alert that his documents have been received and his claim is underway. Later, if he wants to use his preferred body shop to fix the damage, he can easily submit the estimate via the app. Mobile apps are a win-win in the customer-driven era. You benefit from instant information and reduced manual labor costs, and George experiences better service and a simplified and accelerated claims process.
It's the age of the customer. They expect more from the companies they do business with, and they've made it clear mobile is their preferred channel. Kofax enables you to quickly and easily integrate powerful interactive capture, process management, and analytics capabilities into your mobile apps for a dramatically better experience. Take personal loans, for example. With Kofax technology, a customer could start the process with a quick photo of their driver's license, as well as submit all supporting documents by using the camera on their smartphone or tablet. No trips to the branch, no faxing, no time in front of the computer, not even manual entry or annoying autocorrect. And it's smart. Say a customer submits a 2012 W-2 when a 2013 was required. No problem. Before the device is put down, the app can automatically extract and analyze the information and ask for a 2013 W-2 instead. This reduces the need for costly manual validation for and provides better, real-time service for more empowered and satisfied customers. Kofax Image Perfection ensures the highest quality images, so regardless of the environmental conditions, information is extracted accurately and reliably. You can't control where your customers capture content, it just needs to work. The open and flexible platform enables you to leverage capture to initiate, support, or complete just about any transaction, all quickly, easily, securely. New account openings, balance transfers, bill pay, customer onboarding, check deposit. The opportunities are endless. All with a single platform, one license, one technology stack, and built on proven Kofax Capture capabilities. Smart mobile apps. Get more control, better engagement, greater personalization, faster time to market. It's the age of the customer. Meet them where they are with real-time mobile engagement.